Welcome to homework.
So can a heat engine convert all of that energy? No. We can say no engine is 100% efficient. And if the engine was 100% efficient, then maybe, or rather, it would convert all heat energy into mechanical energy or mechanical work, more specifically. However, because no engine is 100% efficient, the energy in will always be slightly greater than the energy out. And that is because thermal energy provided to the engine, and thermal energy would be provided to the engine by burning gasoline. So thermal energy provided to the engine would be converted into, we could say, sound energy. So when you turn on an engine, you usually hear a sound of the engine running, and that some of that thermal energy will actually be transformed into that sound energy, and that is simply because that's of course there's no because there's no a 100% engine. There's no engine that is 100% efficient. So some of it would be converted into sound energy. Then we have vibration energy. So usually if you have a car, and usually an older car too, the engine, when you turn on the engine, you'll feel a bit of a vibration when the car is on. And so that is coming from, again, the thermal energy. And then we can say, and mechanical work. In addition, some thermal energy is being lost to the environment. So when the engine is running, it usually becomes hot, and that is the engine essentially losing some of that thermal energy to the environment, to the point where you can feel it. And that's actually a problem, because if the engine gets too hot, then it won't be able to run efficiently. And if it gets very hot, it might actually reach the melting point of some of the metals that are in the engine, and then your engine may start to melt if it reaches a very, very high temperature. So again, some thermal energy is lost to the environment, some of it is converted into sound energy, some of it is converted into vibration energy, and only a percentage is actually converted into the mechanical work that is useful in moving your car forward. And so that is why not all of the thermal energy provided to the engine will actually be converted into mechanical work. Again, no engine is 100% efficient. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.